Hi friends, here we are told to find the number of natural numbers lying between 1012 and 23421. But the condition is they have to be found using these digits only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repetition is not allowed. At the same time, these numbers, whatever that are formed, should be divisible by 55. What does that mean? They should be divisible by 5 as well as 11. Because 55 is prime factorization 5 into 11. 5 and 11 both are prime numbers. So 55 should be divisible by 5 as well as 11 together. That means obviously uh, this number, because it is divisible by 55, it should end in 5. Right. Firstly, this number should end in 5 because it is divisible by 5. In these ones, in these 5 numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 5 is permitted to have the to be the final digit of this whatever these numbers. Right. At the same time, now if you closely observe 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, this is the highest number. Right. What does that mean? And this one is of 5 digits and this is of 4 digits. Right. Clearly, then we have numbers which are either 4 digits or 5 digits maximum. Now, if you closely see 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, this is the number. What does that mean? If any 5 digit number which is starting with 3, 4, 5, 6, that is clearly out of question because any 5 digit number starting with 3, 4, 5, 6 will be greater than this. But then again, even if the number is starting with 2, let's say 5 digit number is starting with 2, then the first number the immediate second number should be 3 because there is no repetition. Then immediate third number should be 4. The very first smallest 5 digit number that can be found with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is this. Right. The smallest number which can be formed using 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is actually 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the smallest number which is formed is still greater than this one. So that means there are no 5 digit numbers that can be formed. Very good. Fantastic. Now, what are we left with? We are left with only 4 digit numbers which are greater than 1012 but can be found with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the same time, the final digit has to be 5. The problem has simplified to that one. Okay, so we are talking about 4 digit numbers. The final digit is anyway 5, which is fixed, and these three numbers we can modify. And these three numbers can be taken by 2, 3, 4, and 6. 2, 3, 4, and 6. These four can take these three slots. Now at the same time, because it is divisible by 11 also. What does that mean? If we say this number is something in this format, A, B, C, and 5, what does that mean? A plus C should be equal to B plus 5. Right, B plus 5 should be equal to A plus C. Right, the sum of the numbers, the digits taking odd slot should be equal to sum of digits taking even slots. Then only it will be divisible by 11. Right. So clearly A plus C or B plus 5, that cannot, the difference cannot become equal to 11 because the highest total itself is 6 plus 5 which is equal to 11. Right. So difference cannot be equal to 11. So that's why the difference has to be 0. So A plus C should be equal to B plus 5. Okay, so now let's start with B. And 5 is anyway fixed. If B plus 5 equals to A plus C. Now if B is 2, we have what are the options? 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 6. These are the options. So B we have taken as 2, then 2 plus 5. A and C we can write it as the 7, 3 plus 4. Either 3, 4 or 4, 3. Similarly, B we are taking it as 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. A and C we can take it as 2 and 6. 2, 6 or 6, 2, it doesn't matter. Similarly, B we are taking as 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then A and C we can take it as 3 and 6. Right. So obviously B cannot be 6. If you take B as 6, then there is no A and C. That will total up to 11. Right. 5 plus 6 is 11. There is no A and C that can total up to 11. So basically, we have only three ways of selecting AC together. Right. So, but in each case, either you can put A as 3 and C as 4 or A as 4 and C as 3. Right. AC can be interchanged. 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 6, 6, 2 and 3, 6, 6, 9. So all in total we have this 3 into 6, 3 into 2, which are total 6 cases. Right. So difference cannot be learned. AC can be interchanged. In all the three cases, AC can be interchanged. So total 6 ways. So 5 is anyway fixed. And B, if we take as 2, then we have 2 ways. B2 is giving 2 ways of A and C, B3 is giving another 2, and B4 is also giving another 2. So total there are 6 ways of 6 numbers between this and this, which are actually divisible by 54. That means which are divisible by 11 and 5. Right, guys? Thank you.